Hello, and welcome everyone. I actually forgot to record the beginning of this, so I'm just gonna tell you. What I have here is a bag of dry chickpeas. I put them out last night, overnight, with water. And then once in the morning, I went ahead and rinsed them out a couple of times, have clean water, and all I have done is put them here to cook. And tomorrow I will be assembling some hummus. This is not your typical hummus, I will say. So let's get ready to assemble it. What I have here are the hummus. I warmed them up because I'm thinking, since I'm gonna blend them in the blender, sometimes it gets too thick down here and it's hard. So I'm putting them in hot just to see if it'll work better. And what I have here are my tomatoes that I harvested, my cherry tomatoes, garlic and basil, and some salt and olive oil. I have a video that I show you how I preserve them. So if you want to check out how I did this, you can check out the video. I also have here some lemon that fresh lemon squeeze, some more garlic, some ice, and some Tahini organic sauce or paste. Actually, this is actually, I think it's sesame paste. I like this one from Trader Joe's. It's awesome. Let me add a little bit of the oil of this. This oil has a lot of flavor. Hey, oh God. Okay, here we go. You see what I mean? So I'm gonna have to add more of my syrup, some of this. I'm gonna add some tomatoes. I'm gonna add the lemon, some of the tahini paste, and the rest of the, what is this called? Chickpeas. To give you an idea of how much of each I have added, I'm letting you see the jars. I added all the lemon, I added some of this. You're gonna have to add salt to taste, and this is what it looks like. I like my hummus to be very, very creamy, which is why I choose it to do here, because it really does make the texture of it very creamy. Give it a go. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go to plan B and do it in smaller batches because my blender is just dancing all over the place. So I'm gonna pour some of it in here and do small batches at a time. I added some more of the paste, more of the tomatoes. I added more garlic, etc. I added some salt as well. You go tasting it and then adjust it to your palate, whatever that might be, okay? Let me just pour some in here and then we'll come back in a minute. Perfect, that's exactly what needed to happen. I overloaded it and that wasn't gonna work, so just don't make the same mistake I did. Okay guys, it is done and it is excellent. Let's have a little taste. See how smooth it is? This is how I like it. Oh my goodness. It's absolutely delicious. The only thing I would do is I would add a little bit more salt. I think I'll add a little bit more of more garlic. I'm gonna put more garlic in this and put it in the blender again. And some more lime or lemon. And then it should be done. Excellent. Okay guys, so it is now completely done. I'm gonna go ahead and pour this and mix it onto this, and then I'm going to separate it. I read somewhere that you can actually freeze hummus and it'll stay really nicely, which is what I'm going to. I just want to show you how I like to eat my hummus. One of the ways I like to eat my hummus. I like to use these sardines because they're in 100% olive oil and they're skinless and boneless, and I love that. I use these crackers and I just take it, I break up the crackers and fix myself a little delicious plate with hummus and some sardines. but you can really eat it however you like. This is my breakfast this morning, and I just wanted to pop in and show you really quickly what it looks like. Boy, the lighting here is not that great. There we go. There we go. I hope you give this recipe a try. These are so delicious.